Thank you for your interest in identifying recall products in your new home. RecallChek makes it easy for you to get this information as part of your home inspection. In California, an attachment to the standard purchase agreement offered by the California Association of Realtors recommends that you need to do a series of things during the inspection contingency period, including find out if any of the products in the house have been recalled. Among other places, you're referred to the Consumer Product Safety Commission website. If you've ever been there, you'll probably conclude what I did. It's too hard to get the information you're looking for quickly. And who has time, with all the other things that need to get done while you're trying to buy a house? The solution is RecallChek. Based on information I provide, a report is issued in 2 business days. If there are any recall or safety notices, information is provided about what to do about it. Repairs or replacements are usually free. This is what the statewide Buyers and Sellers Advisory says. This document is attached to your purchase agreement. Buyer and seller are advised that government entities and manufacturers may at any time issue recall notices and/or warnings about products that may be present in the property, and that these notices or warnings can change. There is no single source of information on product recalls, defective products, or class actions. However, the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission maintains a website that contains useful information. If buyer wants further information regarding the items listed below, the broker recommends that the buyer consult the CPSC website during the buyer's inspection contingency period. There still isn't an all-inclusive source of recall information, but RecallChek maintains a database of 195 million products going all the way back to 1974, and that information is kept up to date. 195 million products is a lot. Do you want to wade through it all to find the one product you're looking for? Why does it matter? A fellow inspector in the Sacramento area relates this story. 3 days after his neighbor moved in next door, their house caught fire. The micro oven was responsible. Because the manufacturer listed the problem with the Consumer Product Safety Commission, their liability was only to replace the microwave oven. The insurance company and the owner were responsible for the fire and water damage resulting from putting the fire out. It didn't have to happen. Most of what is found in the recall and safety notices is fire hazards. Rarely do they relate to functionality. The problems range from improperly insulated or isolated wires, motors that get too hot, and component failures. RecallChek makes it possible to complete the investigation into recalls for most, if not all, appliances in the house. The service is available through home inspectors right now. Pictures of the labels are included in your inspection report. At the time of the inspection, serial numbers are unnecessary. However, if the product is flagged, more information from the label is required. You can quickly refer to your home inspection report for the information you need. What does the report cover? It covers at least 5 things: the nature of the recall, any injury statistics, where the product was sold, how to remedy the defect. It usually involves finding the serial number and date on the label. Other options are possible. Finally, how to get the item fixed or repaired. Sometimes one of their service reps comes out. Other times they offer you a voucher to pay a local contractor to do it, or allow you to apply it toward the purchase of a new product. In any event, repairs are usually free. In addition, the report is usually delivered by email to you within 2 business days. The home inspector gets a copy too. If your realtor requests it, they can get it from either of us. In addition to telling you what can be done about the recalled product, RecallChek can also help if the manufacturer fails to respond. For any questions or comments, RecallChek is available during normal business hours, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, Eastern Time. This is how the service works. Order RecallChek at the time of the inspection or when it's booked. During the inspection, we'll gather the data. If you bring along all the appliance information from other products in your home, we will include them. All that is needed is the manufacturer's name and product's model number. If the manufacturer's name can't be found, at least provide the model number. RecallChek will do their best to match the model number to the manufacturer. After the inspection, the data is sent to RecallChek. In 2 business days, expect a report to be emailed back to each of us. Data routinely collected during the inspection include heating and cooling systems, water heaters, kitchen appliances, and any wall furnaces or wall air conditioners. If we happen to come across anything else interesting, we may get that too. Did I mention the refrigerator, washing machine, and dryer you're bringing with you? Bring us a note. or at least give us one before we submit the report. What is this service worth? In our area, it's offered for around $100, plus or minus. At this price, do you think it might be a lot less than the insurance deductible you'll have to pay if the house burns? To order RecallChek, you have two options: by phoning in your order for a home inspection or doing it online. If you call, if we fail to ask you if you want this service, remind us to include it. If you order online, select RecallChek as an optional service. If it's not marked, we'll offer you the opportunity again during the inspection. Thanks again for taking the time to hear how you can find out if there are any recall products in your new home. If you have any questions, please contact us.